Hey legends, big one welcome back to the Wealth Yogi YouTube channel. Seb Williams here with you today, and I actually want to ask you guys if you've ever wondered how it is that you can start selling on Instagram. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, but before we dive into it, let's hit the show reel. So we're here teaching our Wealth Yogi 3-month certification program at the moment, and we have about 15-20 students in the room with us every single day learning all of these beautiful social media marketing things. And as you can imagine, a big question that we get asked is, well, how is it that I actually use my social media to sell? And the answer is maybe not what you think, but it's actually very, very simple. So what we focus on really is conversion. Whenever we're thinking about growing on social media, or we're thinking about making a sale, the end result is conversion, okay? But the way that we get to conversion is through conversation. So if we're talking about Instagram specifically and how you can facilitate sales there, it all happens in the DMs. You got to slide into those DMs and make your offer. But then what do you say? How do you say it? How do you actually go about it in the right way? And actually what we want is people sliding into our DMs rather than us going to them. You want to leverage something called attraction marketing. Okay, so this is where you put content out that enables people to leave a call to action, either commenting on your posts or sending you a message maybe with a certain word. And then from there, they're coming to you saying, hey, I'm actually quite interested in what it is that you're doing. So they're initiating the first step, meaning that for them, it's very easy to reply and have that conversation. So all of your social media content, everything that you're putting out there, it all wants to be done with the very simple aim of actually stimulating conversation. And then once you're in that conversation, there's a few questions you want to ask, and it's a lot simpler than people think, because what you want to keep in mind is they're actually not that bothered about you. They're not really that bothered about your program, your service, your offer. They're bothered, they care about themselves, and rightly so, right? They've got a problem that they want solving. They see that maybe you can do that for them, but they're thinking, what's in it for me? So you've got to keep that in mind as you go through the conversation, and especially as you're creating your content. If you can get that right, these conversations will come flooding in very, very easily. Once you're in the conversation, you want to establish, first of all, well, what is their problem? What problem do they have? Then you want to ask yourself the question of, can I help them with that? And you need to obviously be truthful in the answer. If you can, great. If not, no problem. Maybe point them in the right direction and be honest about that. From there, you want to illustrate to them how it is that you can bridge the gap from where they are now to where they want to be. And you do that through telling a story of maybe how you've helped other people before. And then very simply, one of my favorite questions to ask in a conversation is, would you like my help? Would you like? It's such a simple question. It's a very easy way to sell, because then if they say yes, okay, great, you've got full permission to actually maybe get on the phone with them and have that conversation, close that deal. If they say, actually, I'm not open to it right now, then that's okay. Keep putting out content, keep building that relationship equity, keep adding value to their lives, and eventually maybe when they're at the right time in their journey, they'll actually come back and say, actually, yes, I do need your help. I do want your help now. So I hope that helps you. It all happens in conversation. That's how we get conversions. It's how we get those cha-chings, how we get those sales, ultimately how we help people. But remember, you want them coming to you rather than you going to them. It will make the process a whole lot easier for you, and then you can just focus on actually putting content out there that helps people, and then you know what to say now inside of the conversations to work towards the sale. I hope you did find that valuable. If you did, leave a comment below and let us know. If you haven't already subscribed to the Wealth Yogi channel, then go ahead, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until the very next video, stay blessed.